Alright, so I figured out the mistake in the previous one. So basically, I'm on HeyGen and I'm seeing this tutorial on create an avatar video with Zapier. So firstly, you create your Zap, select a trigger. Every Zap begins with a trigger, which we know. So here they're using Google Sheets. So on every new spreadsheet row, which would likely be containing the content for the person to speak or the avatar to speak. So whenever a new row is added to Google Sheet, the trigger would be set. And then secondly, create a scene for the avatar video, which we are doing. We are basically using a Google Docs. So I think we could change this and create a Google Sheets one because that would be better. So we create an avatar video scene. So we have set this. So action is click on action, HeyGen, create an avatar video scene. Choose your account, customize your settings. So we've done that. Now generate the avatar video. After creating the scenes, you need to generate the final video by combining the scenes and setting final parameters. So action, click on action, create an avatar video, generate. Yeah, so basically we had just gone to the scene part. We had not generated it. So we have to choose this one option and action event we'll do create an avatar video generate, right? So according to this, we choose your account and customize our settings like test mode, captions, video title, dimensions, and callback ID. So we continue with that. Test mode. So basically, what does test mode do? It basically, if you enable test mode to preview your video without consuming credits. As you know, we have 3 free credits for every account that we've created on HeyGen. So I will choose test mode as true because we want to just preview our video without using credits and add caption. Enable to add auto-generated captions to your video works only for videos with text input. So do you want to add captions? I would say false. And then video title, the title for your video, you can choose from the document in the folder. Or what you could do is basically just go and choose this from Google Sheet. Basically create a new spreadsheet row. So you can integrate Google Sheets in here instead of creating that. So let me change the app to Google Sheets. Right. So this Sheets is available here. So we choose that. And trigger event is basically new or updated spreadsheet row. So triggers when a new row is added or modified in a spreadsheet. New spreadsheet row triggers when a new row is added to the bottom of the spreadsheet. Yeah, this one we'll choose new spreadsheet row and we connect Google Sheets here so as to integrate it with our account. So basically use Tag Navigator here and we allow it. Okay, so once this has been connected, we have to move on. Now spreadsheet you have to choose, so query counseling image topics. Alright, so let me just go over to Google Sheets and see whatever, and let me go and check this out. So I'm doing this all from scratch so as to show you exactly how much time it takes for you to create your own, and we need to choose the value. So let me just say this is the untitled spreadsheet, and we choose, let us say topic is for this we'll go over to ChatGPT, or instead of going, yeah, we could go to ChatGPT and let us see what is happening here. So we have Zapier career counseling scripts. So we'll how to future-proof your career. Okay, we'll copy this. This is the topic, and we will paste this, right? So once we've done this, we'll go over to here and let me just rename this to Zap plus agent, right? And we refresh results. So spreadsheet we choose Zap plus agent, and worksheet we'll choose as the sheet one, right? So we continue and we test the trigger, test trigger. So yeah, we found it. Continue with selected record. Now what we do, we set up again our agent account. So once we've done that, okay, so we choose this and we've done all this. And input, you have to change this input text. So input you can choose as, let me just show you. So input you will choose as whichever column you want. So we want this topic, right? How to this one. So we have chosen the topic and we continue and then we read a step. So yeah, this has been successful. So now we move on to create an avatar video generate. So they are saying we click on action, create an avatar video generate, choose account and adjust settings like this. So we've already done that. So I will show you again, continue. With test mode, yes, true. Video title, what will be the title of the video? We'll choose it as the same as the topic. So topic is this. Now callback ID, what is callback ID? It's the custom identifier for this video generation job. It's used for tracking or integrating with other systems, other systems or other apps. Returned in Zapier triggers, video status responses and webhooks. So you add the ID, callback ID. So the ID would be unique, and that would be row ID. Let's choose the row ID as the callback ID, and dimensions and whatever you want. Add one or more scenes. Each scene should be the output from a create an avatar video scene. Maximum 10 scenes per video. Check current events. Each scene can have different avatar, background voice, JSON string format. Alright, so we'll be choosing scene. So scene may basically we have whatever scenes we've already chosen from this one. So you have to set those scenes. So you add this. So Copilot will be suggesting some scenes for you. So you check that out. So scene is this. We have one scene this, and the other scene would be where you can actually change the scenes here. You see, we have maximum 10 scenes, right? So the scene would be where have we chosen scene? We have chosen scene from here, right? So we can add topic and input text. We can also add more text. So whatever text we had here, so we future-proof one, we can just go here. Here. So basically, we will basically copy this and add it to our description column, right? Content. So the name is content. This is our. So what we'll do is we'll aim to keep it in one line.